What if you could get motorcycle-level style, premium comfort, and city-friendly practicality all in one machine? The 2026 BMW C 400X is here to challenge everything people think about scooters. It looks aggressive, rides smooth, and carries the famous BMW badge. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Bold design that stands out. The 2026 BMW C 400X keeps its adventure-inspired design, but now looks sharper and more modern than ever. The front end has that signature BMW attitude with aggressive lines, LED lighting, and a strong road presence. This is not the kind of scooter that blends into traffic. It grabs attention instantly. BMW has also focused on rider comfort. The seating position is upright, relaxed, and perfect for daily commuting or longer weekend rides. It feels premium the moment you sit on it. Engine and real-world performance. Power comes from a reliable single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth acceleration and enough punch for city streets and highways. Twist the throttle, and the C400X responds quickly without feeling nervous or too aggressive. One thing BMW does well is balance. This scooter feels stable at speed, easy in traffic, and confidence-inspiring for both new and experienced riders. Whether you're lane filtering in the city or cruising open roads, it feels refined. Technology and features. This is where the BMW really separates itself. Expect a full digital display, smartphone connectivity, advanced rider information, ABS braking, traction control, and premium build quality throughout. Storage is another win. There's enough space for everyday essentials, making it practical for work, errands, or quick getaways. Specifications, features, colors, and pricing may vary by country or final official release. Always check your local BMW Motorrad dealer for the latest confirmed details.